What was our favorite part of Bali Safari Park?
Watching the elephant.
Nothing's wrong, nothing's hard. Just a really good day so far. Today I'm feeling so good. And I don't wanna be anywhere else. Texted a friend just to say hi. Got a smile and a quick reply. Little things keep adding up. Today's just one of those good ones. Don't need a reason to feel this way. I'm just happy and that's okay. Today I'm feeling so good, better than I thought I could. Nothing's wrong, nothing's hard. Just a really good day so far. Today I'm feeling so good, and I don't want to be anywhere else.
Because it was so
Honestly, I think it's just one of those days where everything just
where the
clicks.
lady like had corns in her pants and then she picked it up and then the birds came and catched it with their mouth and eat it.
Today I'm feeling so good, better than I thought I could. Nothing's wrong, nothing's hard. Just a really good day so